Hi. So it's 5 a.m. on a Saturday, 5:11 to be exact, and my shift just ended because I work night shift. So I work from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. And today planning to go for a 5 kilometer walk sa nearest sports complex. So that's 20 to 30 minutes away from here. So we're gonna be driving there in a bit. Magpe-prep lang ako. Actually, dapat kasi takbo yun. Kaso, my lungs, they're not in the mood to run ngayon. And I have asthma, so I can't force myself to run. So now I'll just prepare and I'll talk to you guys later. Hello. So, fail yung attempt ko maglakad or mag-jog ngayon kasi there's a sports complex at least kasi sarado pala kasi may festival. Doon gaganapin yung festival. Hindi ko man lang naisip yun. So ngayon, plano ko, dito ako tatakbo kahit 3 kilometers na lang. Takbo or jog or lakad sa tabing kalsada. So, ito siya. Sa highway. May mga naglalakad naman. Ayan o. Tumatakbo naman, naglalakad. Ayan. Simulan natin. First, simulan ko na. Bye. See you guys later. I changed my mind, everyone. Uwi na lang ako. So, yun na lang yung gagawin ko. Okay, papahinga na lang ako. See you guys later. Bye. Hello, so it's Sunday and nandito kami ngayon sa Alabang kasi may doggy run si Maki. May mga tao din tumatakbo kahit walang pets. Eto, I'll show you. Ayan, ang hirap maghanap ng parking pero buti na lang may nakita ko. 1 kilometer lang naman yung tatakbohin ni Maki. Parang hindi pa nga siya mapapagod dun eh. Actually, mas malayo pa yung biniyahe namin papunta dito kumpara sa tatakbuhin niya. Pero okay lang yun. So dinrap ko sila, ako na lang yung naghanap ng parking. Ngayon pupuntahan ko na siya. Adjust ko na. Okay, are you happy? Shopping ka? Hindi ka talaga sa ganun.
Starbucks ba?
Close up po. Hi everyone! So ngayon naman, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga pinamili ko. But before sharing you these things, gusto ko muna i-share na hindi kasi talaga ako yung magastos para sa sarili ko. So usually, mas inuuna ko yung needs or wants ng mga loved ones ko. And very kuripot ako sa self ko. Kasi parang nangihinayang ako pag gagastos ako para sa sarili ko. Unlike pag gagastos ako for my loved ones. Parang okay lang sa akin. Kasi I know I can make them happy by doing so, diba? So now, I'm just very happy na may nabili na ako for myself, finally. So first, this shorts muna from Cotton On. And these are pleated shorts. This is a size 26. I got two different sizes kasi yung 28 nito, ang haba niya, mas mahaba siya compared dito sa 26. Pero dapat kasi 28 ako kasi yun yung fit sa waist ko. So, eto, ang sabi dito, ang color niya is Washed Stone Sateen. And this one is size 28 and yung length niya is same lang nung size nitong 26 for this color. Kaya 28 yung kinuha ko dito, then dito 26. Kasi medyo mahaba to. Color nito is light camel sateen. And as you can see, original price niya is 1,799. Pero I only got them both for 2,000 pesos. So, buy two for 2,000 lang to. Hindi siya lang kasi ang mahal niya. Pero kasi, considering its price from 1,800 each to 2,000 dalawa na, still na siya for me. Also, kuripot ako. And I'll make this last for, I guess, 7 years. And next is the running shoes. So, I told you guys na I went to Anta to check for running shoes. Pero kasi doon, yung display nila is the only stock left. And tinignan ko yung details, madumi na siya. Siguro kasi nagamit na nung, or nasukat-sukat na. I ordered this from TikTok shop, from the men's size. Pero kasi, yung smallest size nila sakto sa size ng pako. This is PG7 Travel 1.5 and yung nasukat ko sa store is Travel 2. So, yun yung latest version. Mas comfy yung 2 for me nung sinukat ko siya dun sa store. Pero considering its price, yung PG2 dun sa mall is 3,595, I think. And I only got this for 2,800 plus. Up close. And last is my favorite one. So this is from Foot Locker. And this is the Adidas Handball Special. I got this for 5,800. Oops, wala pa. Tara! Ang ganda niya kasi neutral color lang siya. And as someone who loves neutral colors, this is actually perfect for me. Ito siya. This is really perfect for me. I really love the color. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in my next vlog and thank you so much for watching.